Hi, I'm Matthew Arnold. I'm an independent filmmaker and an educational technology teacher specializing in media. I'm inviting you to a 2-hour workshop that will teach you the skills you need to make online teaching comfortable, pleasant, and engaging for the students. During this workshop, we'll talk about some best practices on audio and lighting, as well as ways to manage your classroom using both Google Hangouts and Meet, and also with the Zoom platform. There will be a good portion of this meeting dedicated to teaching you how to shoot, edit, and upload your own personal videos using iMovie on the Mac. It's going to be a fun 2-hour workshop, and if you want to know more about me or what I do, you can watch my film The Long Green Line or The Last Playlist, and you can also check out my technology tutorial series, It's Not Letting Me, all on YouTube. The first workshop is going to be Tuesday, March 31st from 4 to 6 p.m. Pacific time. That'll be 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock on the East Coast. And then the other workshop will be April 7th at the same time from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock p.m. Pacific time. Again, that'll be 7 to 9 o'clock on the East Coast. I look forward to connecting with you all online. The space is limited, so I recommend that you sign up now. There are 2 workshops in case you get sold out of one, and I look forward to seeing you all online. Check out itsnotlettingme.com for more technology videos and some information on how to learn in this fast-paced 21st century classroom.
It's not letting me!
Quit saying that.